wanted to show you my lister. Just gonna fit the oil gauge to show me how much oil's in there. I've just been oiling up the big end. So, I'm putting this down there. Amazingly enough, when I took the head off, these studs didn't break. Also, we have a spark lead, so that was quite good. So yeah, really quite pleased about that, because otherwise we would have to spend quite a lot of money just trying to put me and my dad and my granddad and had a look at it. So that's the petrol can I painted. There's a ESSO one indoors, but I'm going to use that one. This one's for my brother. He doesn't know I've painted it, so I was going to do it for a surprise for him. So here's the oil gauge. It says oil here, K. So when that oil on the inside is on the K, if I open this, just bear with me a second. If I look at this, I'll do this with one hand, it's quite tricky. Just there, it'll be on the sump like that. And when the oil's in there, and the oil comes up to here, I know that there's enough in there. So I'm just going to assemble it now. So what should we have to do? Come in! Right, and that is how you do it. So, just gonna put the top on it now. Yeah, so there you go. The mill over there, that's all ready to go. I just got to get a belt and a pulley so I can run this on that. So when I take it to Bali next year, it'll all be done. So it'll be quite good. I found some graphite grease. It's actually 1980, that graphite grease, so it's still a whole tub in there. I found some old Castrol glass bottles. What else? Oh, I've had the bike riding. What else have I done? Found a Bunsen burner, if you can see that over there. So yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.